Alright, so right now it's 5:51 and woke up at 3 to get to this location. Today we're gonna find one of the best hiking spots here on Okinawa, and we woke up for the sunrise. So I'm a little bit late, the sun is rising, so to get the shot you have to hurry up, so get ready for these drone shots. Saw the sunset, or we just saw the sunrise here. We're at Miyagi Island. So we're drone around. Hopefully you all like the shots. We were able to catch the sunrise. Fortunately, I was a little bit worried because we were taking a lot of time trying to figure out where to park, because there's not like really good parking at this beach. But this island, there's like a nice beach to go to and look around. There's some older people kind of watching the sunrise as well with us, so it's kind of cool to see. It sounded like they were local people here. Yeah, we have like a hike planned today, and an island. It's gonna be the main thing of today's video. Stay tuned for the hike. I think it's gonna be one of the top hikes here in Okinawa. But right now we're gonna head over to the hike because it's about like a 30-40 minute drive from here. So let's go.
Hi, good morning.
Oh no, that's not good. Alright, well I just lost my contact. We'll see if I'll be able to see. We're at Katsudake. We go to the top. Hopefully I can see. My contact just fell out. Yeah, we're gonna start the top, go to the very top of the hike. About like a 30-minute hike, so you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I had to rush because I lost my contact and I put it back in and my eye was hurting, so I thought like I had to start the hike as soon as possible before my eye gave out. So that's why I wasn't able to give an introduction of where we are. So we're hiking this trail in the northern part of Okinawa. Apparently it's an easy trail. Easy?
Yeah, easy.
Easy?
Yeah, okay.
About halfway through, honestly, not too bad. The first part of the trail was kind of steep, just kind of walking up steps, but now we're going on more of an even ground area. So wait, I think there are people hiking here. I mean, there are people camping here.
Yeah.
A little bit more to go. So we made it to the top here of the hike. It was only like a 500-meter hike, so not too high. But yeah, pretty easy hike. Still pretty early in the morning, like 9:30. So we have a lot to do today. But honestly, I thought the hike would be a little bit longer. But it's a nice break from seeing the sunrise this morning. And right now, as you saw, it's sunny. So hopefully get some good drone shots here. Unfortunately, I can't fly right now because up here the rock is super jagged and there's no flat surface for me to take off from. So once I get to the bottom, I'll probably take off from there. But the hike, super nice, super serene. I think like little kids can do it. Nice hike to come up here in Okinawa. We're in the northern part right now, so.
Hi, I go to this mountain first time. It's beautiful. Yeah, sea, beach, and all green. Yeah, good, perfect. Yeah.
That's coming from someone who's lived here his whole life. So speaking volumes about how this place is. So we'll see some drone shots now. So I hope you all liked the drone shots from earlier. When we were at the top, some guy, shout out to that guy, but he gave us some free candy. Nice man. But yeah, I hope you all like those drone shots. We're gonna go to Sissoko Beach, Sissoko Island, and there's gonna be a beach there. It's gonna be my last drone shot here in Okinawa. So hopefully you all are enjoying these drone shots because I'm gonna have a compilation at the end just like I did in Norway. So we're gonna drive there right now and then head to that island. Hopefully you'll see more drone shots today. So
Hi, I see it. Mongoose. Mongoose is unique animal. Cute.
perfect.
Yeah. Good. Bye.
Alright, so we're here at Sissoko Beach. This is like the last beach I'll be visiting in my time here in Okinawa. Actually, I'm gonna log out the video now, but yeah, today was a nice sunrise hike day and then this final beach day. Okinawa has been a very fun experience getting to know my aunt's side of the family. Not blood related, of course, but it's nice just to see blend of culture here, Japanese and American. Okinawa has a pretty unique history where it was occupied by the US and then ceded to Japan only recently, so you can see a huge American influence here. But I'm no history buff and I'm definitely not qualified to talk a lot about Okinawan history, but I just want to say that it's been nice here and the Toma family has been super nice to me. I really appreciate everything they've done. So I'm going to spend my last day, spending the day with them before I leave because I fly out tomorrow to Tokyo. So I'm going to make one more video in Tokyo and one more video of Okinawa of all the drone shots, so be prepared for that. That's what I'll be taking more right now.
We go to the Sessoko-jima beach. Okinawa beach is beautiful. So because beach is blue sea and white snow. So easy.
All right, so as he said, there's like really blue water here and really white sand, and I'm just going to show you all the drone shots and that'll just be the outro of the video. So thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.
Please subscribe this channel and good button. See you soon in Okinawa.
Joke again.
Yeah.